Is your phone the first thing you check in the morning and the last thing you see at night? You're not alone. Digital overwhelm is everywhere. But what actually works to break the cycle? Over the past 30 days, I tested every major digital detox method. Here's what happened, and the science behind it. It started with the endless doom scrolling, news alerts, comments, emails. My mind was always plugged in, and my focus was slipping fast. I reached out to Dr. Lena Matthews, a psychiatrist specializing in tech-life balance. She said,
"Our brains aren't wired for constant stimulation. Chronic digital exposure floods the brain with dopamine, leaving us anxious and restless when there's a pause, fueling the cycle of digital addiction."
I knew it was time for a change. Could 30 days of intentional digital detoxes reset my brain? Here's what I tried. 1 full day each week. No phone, no laptop, no TV, no social media, just real life, offline. I warned family and set an auto-reply for messages. The first Sabbath was tough. I felt restless and distracted. By week 3, I looked forward to Saturdays. I spent more time outdoors, cooked fresh meals, and finished a book for the first time in months. Sunday mornings, my mind felt clearer and less anxious. Massive mental clarity, more face-to-face connection, deep rest and present moment awareness. But it was hard to coordinate with family and work logistics. FOMO, fear of missing out, struck occasionally. Science says, periodic digital breaks reduce stress hormones and improve mood. I set strict daily limits, 30 minutes, on social and news apps using built-in phone controls. Once time was up, the apps locked automatically. Early on, I raced to use up the time, but soon I was mindfully choosing what was worth my attention. My average daily screen time dropped by 40%. Felt more balanced and less anxiety from mindless scrolling. Creates intentional engagement, reduces autopilot use. Easy to set up and stick to, but easy to override limits if motivation dips. Some tasks, like research, were harder with limits. Studies show setting app limits can significantly reduce digital addiction markers. I made my bedroom and dining table phone-free, no exceptions. Overnight, phones slept in another room, and meals happened with 0 screens. Slept better and woke up more refreshed. Conversations at meals actually deepened. Evening boredom led to new hobbies and reflective practice. Better sleep and healthier routines. Stronger social bonds. Easy to sustain long-term, sometimes inconvenient for urgent tasks. Needed household buy-in to avoid cheating. Research backs this up. Phone-free zones are linked to improved sleep and reduced anxiety. After 30 days, here's what really made a difference. Start with a digital Sabbath. Even 1 offline day each week resets your brain and helps restore tech-life balance. Use app time limits to build mindful digital habits. It's not about punishment, but intentional use. Create phone-free zones for real rest. Better sleep and more present moment awareness are total game changers. Small, intentional changes add up. Choose the method that fits your lifestyle and stick with it for at least 2 weeks. Engage others. Sharing your journey builds accountability.
Digital minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about reclaiming your attention to be truly present in your offline life.
If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your screen, try one of these methods this week. Hit like, subscribe, and share if you want more proven strategies for mindful digital balance. Stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.